Managing housing society bills manually is difficult, time-consuming, and error-prone. That's why we created this Google Sheet-based society billing toolkit, designed specially for small societies and flat owners. Once your payment is completed, we have sent the download link of the Housing Society Billing Toolkit to your registered email address. To start using the sheet, please click the link and make a copy of the sheet in your own Google Drive. For easy access and better organization, we recommend creating a separate folder in your Google Drive. For example, you can name it Housing and save your sheet inside this folder. This will help you keep all your society-related files in one place and avoid accidental changes to the original file. When you open the sheet for the first time, you will see a pop-up saying Authorization Required. Simply click on OK to proceed. Next, you will be redirected to Google's verification screen. Here, click on Advanced and then click on Run Anyway to continue. On the next screen, you will see a prompt saying Sign into Society. Click on Continue. Google will now show you a list of permissions that this sheet requires to function properly, like generating invoices, sending notifications, and saving data within your Google Drive. Please review the permissions and click Authorize to grant access. Once authorized, reload the sheet and you're all set to start using your Housing Society Billing Toolkit. To easily manage all your society activities, a dedicated control panel is available within the sheet. This control panel allows you to perform various operations like generating maintenance bills, recording receipts, viewing reports, updating settings, and more, all from one place. To access the control panel, go to the top menu bar in your Google Sheet, click on Society, and then select Start. This will open the main control panel where you can navigate and perform different activities related to your housing society management. The very first step after accessing the control panel is to click on the Settings button. In the Settings section, you can update various heads like maintenance, parking, water charges, or any other charges applicable in your society. Additionally, if you want to send SMS notifications to flat owners regarding their maintenance dues or payment receipts, you can update your SMS Gateway API details here. This will enable automatic SMS alerts directly from the sheet whenever bills are generated or payments are recorded. Next, click on Unit from the control panel to open the Resident Master Sheet. In this sheet, you need to update the details of all residents or flat owners in your society. Add information like flat number, owner's name, maintenance amount, whether the flat is rented or owned, vehicle details, contact number, and any other relevant information. This is a one-time setup and will help in automatically generating invoices, tracking payments, and maintaining records easily for each unit. To generate maintenance invoices, click on the Maintenance button from the control panel. In the maintenance sheet, start by selecting the flat number in column A. As soon as you select the flat number, the owner's name and their maintenance amount will automatically appear based on the data you have entered in the unit master. You can add multiple entries for different flats for the selected billing month. Once all entries are done, don't forget to press the Save button available at the top. This action will generate invoices for all the selected flats for that particular month, ready to share with residents. To bill multiple residents at once without adding them individually, you can use the Bulk Maintenance option. From the previous screen, click on the Bulk Maintenance button in the control panel. In the Bulk Maintenance sheet, first select the billing date. Next, choose the billing frequency, like monthly or yearly, depending on how your society charges residents. This filter will automatically pick owners from the unit sheet based on their selected billing frequency. Finally, press the Generate button. The system will instantly create invoices for all applicable residents for the selected period, saving your time and effort. To register payments received from flat owners, click on the Receipt button available in the control panel. In the receipt sheet, fill in the payment details like date of payment. Select apartment number from the drop-down. Enter voucher number or receipt number. Add a short description like maintenance payment, advance, or dues clearing. Once all the details are entered, simply press the Save button. The system will automatically update the payment against the selected flat and adjust their outstanding dues accordingly. To generate a payment report, click on Receipt Report from the control panel. In the Receipt Report sheet, select the type of report you want to generate, like all receipts, maintenance receipts, or any other. Then, select the month for which you want to view the report. Once done, press the Generate button available in the control panel. Additionally, if you want to view the society's overall income and expenditure report for a specific date range, click on Periodic Income and Expenditure from the control panel. To register your society's expenses, click on the Expenses button from the control panel. In the expenses sheet, enter the details of each expense, like date, vendor name, invoice number, and amount. Make sure to select the appropriate expense head from the drop-down, such as electricity, security, repairs, or any other applicable category. You can add multiple expense entries here. Once all details are entered, press the Save button. This will record all your expenses and update them automatically in various reports like Income and Expenditure and Expense Summary. To register your society's expenses, click on the Expenses button from the control panel. In the expenses sheet, enter the details of each expense, like date, vendor name, invoice number, and amount. Make sure to select the appropriate expense head from the drop-down, such as electricity, security, repairs, or any other applicable category. You can add multiple expense entries here. Once all details are entered, press the Save button. This will record all your expenses and update them automatically in various reports like Income and Expenditure and Expense Summary. To view or print the ledger of any specific flat, click on the Ledger button from the control panel. In the ledger sheet, select the desired date range and press the Generate button. The system will display a detailed ledger showing all maintenance charges, payments received, and the outstanding balance for the selected flat. If you want to generate ledgers for all flats at once, you can use the Bulk Ledger option. To reconcile your society accounts at the end of every month, you can use the Reconciliation or Bank Statement option available in the control panel. Click on the Bank Statement button to access this feature. In this sheet, you need to enter the opening balance for both cash and bank. Then, record all receipts, whether collected in cash or deposited directly in the bank. Similarly, enter all expenses paid through cash or bank. Don't forget to mention bank deposits if any cash was deposited into the bank. Finally, enter the closing cash in hand. This will help you reconcile your entire month's transactions and ensure that your cash and bank balances are matching accurately. The dashboard gives you a quick and clear overview of your society's overall financial status. It provides important highlights like total maintenance billed, total payments received, outstanding dues, and a month-wise collection and expense breakup. This dashboard is view-only and is designed to give the society committee or members a quick summary of all key financial data at a glance, without the need to open individual reports. It helps in easy monitoring and decision-making regarding your society's financial health. To quickly print the monthly income and expenditure report, simply scroll down to the bottom section of the dashboard. Select the desired month from the drop-down. The system will instantly display the income collected and expenses incurred for that specific month, along with the net balance. You can now print or download this report for your records or for sharing with society members during meetings. That's all about the Housing Society Billing Sheet, a simple, smart, and ready-to-use solution for managing your society's billing, payments, and accounts effortlessly. Pay once, own it forever. Your data stays with you in your Google Drive. Thank you for choosing us.